Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by slicing the bagel horizontally and setting both halves aside. This gives you a clean edge for spreading. Meanwhile, you take 4 ounces of cream cheese per bagel and let it sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes so it softens evenly. This prevents tearing the bagel. Once done, measure optional add-ins, chives, smoked salmon, capers, and have a lemon and loose salt nearby. Make sure your toaster or oven is preheating if you prefer a warm bagel. You now focus on texture and flavor. Whip the softened cream cheese for 20 to 30 seconds to aerate it, which makes spreading effortless and prevents clumping. Next, fold and chopped add-ins gently so you maintain a creamy consistency. Vigorous mixing will break up delicate ingredients like smoked salmon. Once blended, season with a pinch of salt, a grind of pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Taste as you go and adjust. If you want herbed, fold in chives at the end to preserve. You finish by toasting the bagel to your preferred color and immediately spreading the cream cheese while the bread is warm. Warmth helps the spread glide and melds flavors. Arrange garnishes, herbs, capers, lemon zest, so they contrast visually and in bite. Serve promptly for best texture, or refrigerate unused cream cheese in an airtight container for up to 5 days. If the spread tears the bagel, make sure the cheese is softer next time, or slightly reduce the toast level, so spreading requires less force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.